Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you on how to make a full song with Suno AI. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To create a song with Suno AI, visit app.suno.ai and log in with your Discord or Google account. Once logged in, select Create Custom from the left pane. Enter your song lyrics or a brief description of the song idea, such as a catchy pop song about falling in love at first sight. Specify the genre in the style of music box, then click Generate Lyrics. The AI will generate lyrics and create two versions of the song. Listen to both by clicking the play button. To continue with a particular version, click the three dots and select Continue from this clip. You can add more lyrics or provide specific instructions to the AI in the provided box. Click Generate Lyrics to continue the song. After finalizing the song, click the download button to save it. For instrumental music, simply enter the genre in the style box and leave the lyrics box empty. The AI will create music based on the specified genre. So that's basically how to make a full song with Suno AI. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.